Welcome to my channel. Virgin Hub 5 Setup. 1. Unbox the Hub 5. Ensure you have the Virgin Hub 5, power adapter, Ethernet cable, and coaxial cable included in the package. 2. Find the best location. Place the Hub 5 in a central, open area, away from walls, electronic devices, and metal objects for the best signal. 3. Connect the coaxial cable. Firmly screw the coaxial cable into the Hub 5's RF port and the wall outlet. Ensure a tight connection for stable service. 4. Power on the hub. Plug the power adapter into the hub and a wall socket. Press the power button, if available, and wait for it to turn on. 5. Wait for the LED lights. The Hub 5 will go through a startup process. Wait until the light turns solid white, indicating a stable internet connection. 6. Connect to Wi-Fi. Check the Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password on the sticker at the bottom of the Hub 5. Use these credentials to connect your devices. 7. Access Hub settings, optional. Open a web browser and type 192.168.0.1 to access the Hub's settings. Log in with the default username and password. 8. Test your internet connection. Open a browser or run a speed test to ensure your connection is working properly. 9. Connect additional devices. If using a wired connection, plug in an Ethernet cable to connect devices like gaming consoles, PCs, or smart TVs for a faster, more stable connection. Thank you for watching.